Right, wanaigua horo wigie treasury bonds na treasury bills na ukenda kumenya uria ungigithia ciringi yaku kuo nigetha ukione kanyamu. Karibu tuthomie horo wigie bonds odomwe na bills. Njitagwo investor 001 Ng'ang'a wa Njoroge. Karibu. Treasury bonds na bills ni gukombithia thirikari mbeca uri ta mundu kiumbe kana gikundi na muthia wa uhoro ukagunĩka na maciaro ma mbeca ciaku.
Bonds wa mbere ni kindu gitagwo a debt security. Hena imwe twitaga the treasury bonds, na under treasury bonds ni tukoragwo na different bonds iria cikoragwo hau. Ya mbere itagwo the fixed coupon bond, ni kuga ati interest rate iria ikoragwo ikiritwo hau he the fixed interest ndicenjagia, na hena igitagwo zero coupon bonds, ni kuga it is just the interest rate is just the way it is, na maita maingi ukoraga mostly there are three ithatu iria cikoragwo ci major, na ni hari igitagwo the infrastructural bonds, na infrastructural bonds ni iria ikoragwo ikiaria uhoro wa infrastructural project iria thirikari ikoretwo gibanga.
Undu uria utangaga andu aingi muno ni mutaratara wa kuingira thogora-ini ya bonds. Richard haha agithathaura na njira igwete.
Gutiri mundu tangihota go trade kana kuingira wonjorini wa the bonds, na aria maheanaga ici bonds wa mbere ni thirikari, that is the government. Nuko na andu angi metagwo the government agencies, rimwe ni ukora bengi onacio no maheanaga the same bonds. Koguo anybody o mundu othe ungenda kuonjoria na no onjorithie through the bonds, na ungenda ku-invest na bonds, undu wa mbere ni kindu twitaga the CDS account. No mwaka uhingure the CDS account, na ino CDS account umehinguraga through the central bank, bengi nene ya central bank. Na hĩndĩ wina this CDS account ya hingukari ya wahingurirwo ri, now you can be able to now invest in the bonds na uhote kugura kana gukombithia thirikari. Ukeri horo wa treasury bonds ri cikoragwo ci semi annually, ni kuga ungionjorithia mbia ciaku ri, the earliest you can get ni after 6 months. Ikoragwo either semi annually kana every year, na treasury bonds yabagia no uigithie kuma 1 year up to a maximum period ya miaka 30. Na treasury bonds gucokia wa treasury bonds ri si releaseagwo every month, ni ukoraga maki release. But now when you come to treasury bills ri isi marilisaga every week, so it is a weekly, so it is almost not again a short term or compare na the bonds. Now for the treasury bonds, the minimum ugigithia ni 50,000. The minimum ugiambiriria nayo for the treasury bills ni 100,000. Now for this, every week on Monday ni makoragwo makilist the bonds iria cirendio in the market. So for the treasury bills no korwo ukionjorithia after every week because it is open. Na maturity ya the treasury bills bond gucokie ikoragwo after 6 months going to 1 year, but for the treasury bills ukoraga yabagiriria from a period of 91 days kwa kuga nita mieri 3, then after that ukakora hena 182 days na igathie towards 364 days.
Marari gwicana wake igana no wagithoma no guo makinya macio watarirwo ni bwana Richard rumirira mothe nigetha ukionega ciringi wena ngiri ciaku 250 twaiguo toro ni Richard no thore njaga ciringi gaku. Asante sana. Ndino tumaendera nyua o riu ndiroka thaa ici tiri handu thiete ndiracoka. Nĩ ngatho.